I'm Sasha and you're watching Hot Here. Today I'm standing with a very gorgeous looking Yami Gautam. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
Yami, tell me a little about this award function that we've come for today. How excited are you in terms of jewelry? How much of a jewelry person are you?
Today we're here for Retail Jeweler Award, and I think it's a big honor for me to be part of the jury where you celebrate excellence in the field of jewelry and gem. And I think when you see the design, when we were judging, I think it was very difficult because there were designers, the entries were from all over across the world, India. So there was thousands of them, and out of them we shortlisted. And I think it's a great way to celebrate their achievement, their success. I think it's very important. So I'm here just in a small little way to appreciate their effort. And in terms of jewelry, I'm not a very big fan of, I think, accessories, but I think what I'm wearing, the brand that I'm endorsing is the correct brand for me. That's Nazrana Jewelry, because it's a diamond brand. It's the Indian flagship initiative by Rio Tinto Diamonds, which is one of the biggest diamond producers in the world. So I love diamonds because I think in very less little space, I think that they speak a lot. I think it's very chic, it's very classy, and at the same time, it's because it's diamond.
I think I really love the earring you're wearing and the pendant. It's a set, I can see that. So can you tell me a little what dress are you wearing? How did you team up everything today?
Right, I'm wearing this creation is by Gaurav Gupta. He's one of course, the most, the biggest designers. What I really like about the whole look is I don't really try too hard to look whatever I look. So even this is not something, which probably, just simply like out of the world. But what I really like is the simplicity of the gown. I think I love the color. I love the monochrome colors. I think it's very pretty colors. It becomes very easy for me to team up the jewelry. And because I'm not a very big fan of big chunks of jewelry personally, so I love the diamonds. I love the locket. So I think it's just complete in its own simple way.
Yami, if I was to spot you outside, probably wearing a casual outfit, in terms of accessories, how much would you go? Would you go over the top? Will you just wear simple, just a pendant or something? Can you just tell our viewers a little about your fashion quotient?
If it's something a very casual look, maybe a shirt, or jeans. I think a watch, and I think studs. So diamond, it can even be utilized like that. I think it's something which can go with Indian attire, with Western attire, or casual attire. So I think that's what I really like about it. So for me, I think don't try and do too much. Even if you're at the max, very slick, small little pendant if you really like. But for me personally, it would be a nice watch and diamond studs.
So Yami, could you just tell our viewers a little about the monsoon? Everyone's been worrying what to wear, how to wear, your hair, your makeup, everything. All the girls are crazily, and I think we would want to hear from Yami, don't we?
I think the day we stop, really worrying or stressing about it will be sorted. So I think sometimes we just over worry. So don't. I think every girl looks gorgeous the way you are. So the more real you look, I think the better. The whole you'll come out. I think it's always nicer when you don't try too hard to look to look good. Just I won't say stay simple. Know yourself, know your personality well, and just work around accordingly. And don't try and do too much. Let me do this to my hair. Let me do this makeup. As much as I think naturally you can stay, I think you look pretty.
Right, Yami. When do we see you on screen again?
You'll see me in my next film called Aman Ki Asha. That's opposite Ali Zafar, and it's being directed by Nivas, and it comes from the production house of Neeraj Pandey. And then followed by this would be next. That's an untitled project that's to be directed by Mr. Prabhu Deva, and it's opposite Ajay Devgan.